Let's demystify your Spectrum Xumo Remote. This section breaks down the core buttons you'll use daily. First, the power button, typically at the top, turns your device on or off, or puts it into sleep mode. Next, find the volume rocker on the side for easy audio adjustment, and the mute button to silence instantly. The channel or navigation buttons allow you to surf channels and navigate menus. Press the OK Select button in the center to confirm your choices. The Menu Guide button opens the main menu or electronic program guide, showcasing live TV, on-demand content, and recordings. The Home button brings you back to the Xumo home screen, displaying personalized recommendations. Use the back exit button to return to the previous screen or exit menus. And finally, the input source button cycles through HDMI inputs, so you can easily switch between cable TV and streaming apps. If you have a newer remote, you'll also find a voice button, which activates voice search for content, channels, or apps using the built-in mic. Playback controls let you play, pause, rewind, fast forward, and record DVR content. A number pad allows for direct channel entry and PIN inputs for parental controls. Ready to unlock the full potential of your Xumo remote? Here are some time-saving shortcuts and pro tips. For quick access to apps, press the menu button twice to jump directly to the app section for services like Netflix or YouTube. Use voice commands like Open HBO Max or Find Comedies for hands-free operation. Spectrum's integration with Voice AI makes content discovery simple. For DVR users, hold the record button while watching to set a series recording. Use the rewind button during playback to skip back 10 seconds. This is often customizable in settings. If your remote has Bluetooth capabilities, pair it to control soundbars or even smart home devices. Consider using the Spectrum app on your phone as a secondary remote for extended range. To save energy, enable auto sleep in the settings to reduce power usage. Lastly, personalize your remote by remapping buttons in the Spectrum app or remote settings. For example, assign the back button to a favorite channel for quick access. With these tips and tricks, you'll become a Xumo remote master in no time.